I got couple calls from people I was working with them for last 2 years, and they were waiting for market will crash. So basically, I would like to give you some message. Market already started to be more active because of the rates and everything, and looks like we have a lot of changes in political. DeSantis wants to cancel property taxes or partial or full for primary residents. It means guys who sitting on rentals will be more motivated to buy a property in Florida. What this means? Now we have buyer's market. So when we have buyer's market, buyer give terms, and again, seller will, if they will really motivated, they're gonna accept it. But important not to miss these opportunities. Again, a lot of people speaking about crash in Florida, everything gonna be free. It's not gonna happen. Big companies buying property for rental. They can keep those property for 1 or 2 years without renting them, but they're gonna buy for low prices for developers. And this is what's happened. Second thing, if property tax gonna be waived, guys, it means people who was paying rent will move to primary homes, and it's big quantity of the people, because a lot of people they tied from rental because a landlord doesn't want to spend any money for improvements. They're living with all the appliances, and if you're renting a property with the furniture, it's always the cheapest property on the market from wherever which is you can purchase, and again from IKEA, from Walmart. And most of people, it's like they're feeling it's like temporary for 4 or 5 years, temporary property. It is not. And again, a lot of people waiting for rates. And in case math doesn't work today, it means you're gonna pay, let's say, $1,000, $1,500, $2,000 over your rental, but let's say $20,000 more. But we can buy property now. If you, for example, $1 million property, we can buy for $100,000 less. So it will cover all your overpay expenses. But if market will again go up, you're gonna tell me, Boris, where I have been here, why I didn't make any move, why I didn't pay attention. It's like always people waiting for something which is after it's happened, why I didn't. It's like, when it was COVID, a lot of people bought property for much less than it was before. And the people who trying to buy in the top market, no, those people bought property whatever, 300,000 less, and now I pay 300,000 because they had balls to make the move. And a lot of people miss these opportunities because, number one, nobody knew what's going to happen. Number two, people who took a risk now in a win situation. People who bought houses in 22, 23, they in a problem. They in a problem because the market was seller's market, which is opposite us today, and they overpaid. And now they have a lot of people who, struggling to pay payments because it was opposite market. Now guys, we have buyer's market, which is good for buyers. It's bad for sellers. It's hard to sell. And a lot of sellers, they're trying to sell overpriced properties because, a lot of listing agents want to list property for any price which is seller want to hear. But it's wrong. It's a huge mistake. You cannot listen to sweet stories because you need to be realistically with the numbers. If you're looking to sell, your property is going to be the same price range of the other properties on the market. Better to be on the same page with the sold properties. Because if you're dreaming and thinking your house better than your neighbor, you're mistaken. It's a huge mistake. You're going to spend time and you're not going to get anywhere. So anyway, you're going to make reduction in 2-3 months. This is wrong strategy, and my strategy opposite. I'm putting listings for right price to sell. I don't want to keep property for 1 or 2 years. I mean, sometimes you have, hard people, sellers, they want to do whatever they want. Okay, listen, this is game of the seller, I mean decision of the seller. But my opinion, when I'm coming to listing presentation to make evaluation of the value of the property, I'm telling true. Sometimes I don't get it because people don't want to get what I'm saying. They're thinking I want to steal the property, which is I'm not. I'm hired to sell property. I'm not buying property. So I'm trying to put price which is going to attract serious buyers, not dreamers price. Not dreamer people, because dreamer people will come and will see it's not right what they saw, and if you put right price, it could be sold within 30 days. If you put wrong price, it will not sell in years, and a lot of sellers making this mistake. Guys, I would like to have your like if you can. I mean, it's gonna help me to my channel. And second message to buyers, guys, act now, make a move. Rates went down, insurances companies made an adjustment for the prices, and again, if DeSantis is gonna cancel taxes, prices will go up again. If you have any idea, if you don't know from what to start from, just send me text. I will connect you with the mortgage people. A lot of different programs from mortgage you can get with the 1%, with the 3%, with the 5% down payment. And again, everything depends from your income and credit score. But most important, income. You have to have income which is you can show to a bank. And I have good team to people working with me. So I will connect with them. They're gonna give you free consultation, and after you can make your thoughts make sense to buy or not. But like I said before, if case your math doesn't work on today's rates, it doesn't mean it's not gonna work tomorrow. You always can make refinance, but you're gonna have already property which is you bought for the right price. You can make already renovation, your kids can go to good schools, and you're gonna change your life. And it's huge difference from rental property and from your property. Number one, it's gonna be your home. And again, something I wanna tell you, don't buy property if you cannot afford it. If you're paying right now rent, let's say $4,000 per month, don't go to $7,000 mortgage. This is wrong. This is gonna kill you. And I'm telling you as a broker, and I saw a lot of cases. If you're paying right now $4,000, go to $5,000, to $5,500. Don't go over. This is big mistake of the buyers. And I would love to sell you property for $2 million, but again, it's gonna kill you. And to be fair with you and professionally, don't do it. If you're paying rent $4,000, go pay $5,000 with the mortgage. And again, you're gonna overpay, let's say $12,000, $15,000 per year, but we're gonna buy property for $80,000 less when it's gonna be again seller's market. Take this math. You're gonna save now. You're gonna choose the best house on the market for you, because now I'm going to see 3-4 properties in Parkland. Honestly, 2 years ago, I couldn't see one property. I was driving every time new property came on the market. I was driving from North Miami to Parkland just to show one house. And it was line of the people to get into the house. Now it's opposite market. Everybody wants to sell. You make an appointment from yesterday for today showing, and everybody wants to cooperate. They want to show you. So it means it is 100% buyer's time. If you agree with me, guys, put me like, put your comments. If you're thinking the same as me, I would love to hear your thoughts in your comments, and I'm promising I will try to make special video about any comments which is you're gonna make, because I love to talk to you. It's one of the reasons why I'm making video, and I really appreciate what you're doing, and my channel is growing every day. Something I'm giving more let's say useful information which is gonna help you to save money and to be happy with your house or home, which is now prices dropped down. Is good time to start at least shopping to see what's happening. Don't sit until last minute And after you're gonna wake up, again, line of the people. Rates low, DeSantis cancel taxes. What I did? Why I was slept? So don't do this mistake. Act now. Send me text. I'll send you a list of properties exactly matching to your criteria and affordability. You can afford it. And if you want to get some education or consulting, I would love to make it with you. Send me text or call, and I would love to talk to you regarding all your scares. Guys, appreciate you watching my video, and I'm waiting you on the field. See you guys, and have a wonderful day.